In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add VST to Soundation. Before we dive in, here's the key thing you need to know. Soundation is a web-based DAW that runs entirely in your browser, which means it doesn't support third-party VST, AU, or AAX plugins. Browser environments are sandboxed for security and stability, so they can't directly access plugin files on your computer like .daw or VST3. If you've been trying to point Soundation to your plugins folder, that's why nothing shows up. So what do you do instead? You use Soundation's built-in instruments and effects, which are designed to work seamlessly in the browser. They load instantly, they're reliable across devices, and they keep your projects portable and easy to share. Let's start with instruments. Soundation includes a solid collection of software instruments such as FM Synth, Wub Machine, and Europa, among others. Add or select an instrument track, then open the instrument slot and choose the instrument you want. From there, browse presets to get in the ballpark, and tweak the key parameters to fit your track. For example, use the filter cutoff to shape brightness, adjust attack and release for snappier or smoother envelopes, and tune the oscillator or wavetable settings to change the character. Layering two instruments on separate tracks is a great way to build fuller sounds without external plugins. Now let's look at effects. To add an effect, double-click a channel to open the bottom panel, click Add Effect, and pick from the list. You'll find essentials like compressor for dynamics, vocal tuner for pitch correction, and degrader for gritty texture. Use the compressor to control peaks and glue parts together. Dial in the vocal tuner subtly for natural correction, and experiment with saturation or distortion to add warmth and presence. You can stack multiple effects on the same channel, reorder them to change the signal flow, and bypass them to compare your changes quickly. A helpful workflow tip is to keep an eye on levels as you add processing. Aim for healthy signal without clipping, and use the output or makeup gain inside effects to balance loudness. If your mix starts to feel crowded, pull back with EQ or remove unnecessary layers rather than piling on more effects. While third-party VSTs can't be loaded, the combination of Soundation's instruments, effects, presets, and automation is more than enough to craft professional-sounding tracks right in the browser. Explore the built-ins, save your favorite chains, and you'll move fast without compatibility headaches.